What's happening, guys? So Drop It Like It's Scott has done a contest where one of y'all is going to get to win a railroad spike knife. Looks like the winner is
Alaskan Ballistics.
I really love your
YouTube content about ammo.
I'm going to work on that. Here we go. Railroad spike knives are not good knives. They don't hold an edge, not good steel. But I've got some Damascus. We'll try that. If it doesn't work, I don't remember anything about this. I just know that I had some pieces that I had made over here. Yeah, this
power
one,
off.
Oops. This one kind of looks like the best one. But anyway, if I can sandwich some Damascus steel into the railroad spike knife, that would be pretty cool. So, yeah, let's see how that goes. Do a test etch and see what this thing's going to look like. Just take it, dip it in here for a few minutes, maybe a minute. Time lapse. Oh, I don't know if y'all can see that, or how well you can see it. Oh, that's pretty. That is pretty. my heat treat oven for this, but unfortunately it quit working yesterday. So the wife is going to be super pissed when she sees that I used her oven. Need like a pan or something. There we go. Oh, yeah. That. There we go. Oh, that's pretty. Where's my glasses? It's important to keep a clean shot so that you know where everything is. Glasses! Glasses, where are you? Damn it, I just saw them a minute ago. Oh, that usually helps. Found them.